Have you ever walked out of the gym feeling like your muscles had been torn apart? I've been there. I trained hard, hoping to regain strength. But the next morning, even lifting a cup of coffee felt like punishment. I started to think, maybe I'm too old to bounce back. Maybe my body just can't keep up anymore. But the truth is, I was just missing one thing: the right nutrition. And today I'll share with you 7 foods that completely transformed my recovery. And maybe they'll help you stop fearing the soreness too. The first food that helped me recover faster than I ever expected was eggs. I remember one night scrolling through my phone while my muscles were screaming, and I stumbled upon an article. Olympic athletes eat eggs every morning. I thought, if they do it daily, there must be a reason. The next morning I tried it. 2 boiled eggs. Simple, but to me, it felt like a natural recovery pill. And you know what? Just after a few days, something changed. My muscles were less sore, less tight, and I actually had energy to train again. Eggs aren't just breakfast. They're a secret weapon packed with complete protein, essential amino acids, and choline, all working together to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. After a few days of eating eggs, I started to feel better. But then came leg day, so intense I had to hold the wall just to walk out of the gym. That evening, I didn't eat anything fancy, just a piece of grilled salmon with vegetables, a bit of lemon and olive oil. And strangely, the next morning I wasn't as sore as I expected. None of that tight pulling sensation I usually felt after a heavy day. I did some research and it clicked. The omega-3s in salmon were the natural anti-inflammatory I needed. They help reduce inflammation, support blood flow to the muscles, and most importantly, allow protein to work more efficiently during recovery. Since that day, salmon hasn't just been a meal. It's become an essential part of my recovery journey. I started paying attention to my evenings too, because even with good workouts and proper food, if sleep isn't deep, the body doesn't truly recover. One night, instead of mindless snacking, cookies, chips, I reached for a cup of Greek yogurt, added some honey, a spoon of chia seeds, and a few slices of banana. Just that, and somehow I slept so deeply. No tossing, no waking up in the middle of the night. The next morning, my body felt refreshed, light, no more sluggishness. I learned that Greek yogurt contains both whey and casein, 2 types of protein, perfect for recovery. Whey works fast, casein works slow, so my body gets nourished all night long. Since then, it's become my muscles' favorite dessert, delicious and healing. I thought I had my routine figured out, but then came a morning ride, steep hills, hot sun, and I hadn't fueled properly. Halfway back, my leg cramped up out of nowhere. It felt like something was squeezing my calf from the inside. I pulled over, gasping. My coach came running, didn't say much, just handed me a banana. I ate it without much thought. But just 15 minutes later, like magic, the pain eased, the muscle relaxed, and I could ride again. Turns out, bananas are packed with potassium, magnesium, and fast-digesting carbs. Exactly what the body needs when muscles are running on empty. Since that day, bananas have been my portable power pack, always ready when my muscles run low. I used to be totally against chicken breast. Dry, bland, boring. Just the smell of it made me lose my appetite. Then one day I saw a video by a fitness chef. He marinated chicken breast with herbs, garlic, lemon, and a splash of olive oil. I gave it a try, and for the first time, chicken breast was so good, I actually wanted it again the next day. More importantly, I felt my body recovering more clearly after each meal like that. Chicken breast is a lean protein powerhouse, perfect for rebuilding muscle fibers after training. It's low in fat but rich in vitamin B6, which helps your body convert food into energy and supports protein synthesis. Now, instead of avoiding it, I've made chicken breast my go-to post-workout meal. Simple, powerful, and timeless. I don't always have time for a full meal after working out. Some days are packed with shoots and meetings, but I still need to refuel or my energy crashes, and almonds are my secret weapon. I always keep a small pack in my backpack, just a few right after a workout, and I feel sharp again. Almonds may be small, but their benefits are big. They're packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps the body repair muscle tissue stressed from exercise. Plus, the healthy fats in almonds help absorb nutrients and fuel muscle repair without adding belly fat. Now my gym bag always has water, a towel, and a pouch of almonds, a small snack with mighty benefits. One time I went for a run under the noon sun. It was scorching, sweat soaked my shirt. By the end, I felt completely drained. I sat on the curb gasping. A nearby street vendor handed me a cold, fresh coconut. I took slow sips. It was cool, light, and different from plain water. Within 10 minutes, I felt alert again, like someone had recharged my battery. That's when I realized coconut water isn't just a refreshing drink. It's packed with natural electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium, helping your body rehydrate and recover faster than plain water sometimes can. Now, after every sweat-heavy session, I reach for coconut water, not because it's trendy, but because it truly works. After each workout, I used to think working hard is enough. But I was wrong. I felt tired, recovered. Slowly even lost strength, even though I was consistent. Then I realized training is just the beginning. Nutrition is the real game changer. You don't need expensive supplements. You just need to understand your body and give it what it truly needs. Muscles are like children. Training makes them grow, but it's nutrition that keeps them strong, helps them heal, and supports long-term growth. So don't just eat to feel full. Eat to recover. Eat to become stronger, day by day. Every post-workout meal is not just a routine. It's part of a journey to becoming your best self, but recovery is just the first step. So how do you keep building muscle and avoid losing it with age, especially after 50? Don't miss the next video. 5 eating habits to preserve muscle after 50. Habit number 3 will surprise you. Simple, practical, and incredibly powerful.